Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. So today let me teach you how to make this water yam. It's popularly called Ishu Ewura in Yoruba language. And so this yam can be cooked in different ways. You can use it as a forko, and you can also use it as Ojojo. That's what we call it in Yoruba. So that's the difference between the normal yam. This one tends to draw. It draws as if it has a drawing effect on it. So I'm peeling it now. You have to peel your yam before you cook it. So after peeling, you need to wash it very clean. Normally this yam, as I'm peeling it, it's supposed to be slippery as I touch it, but because it is now dry, it's not a new yam, so that's why it's so easy to hold like this. So you just dice it, not in pieces like that, so that you'll be able to hold it, because we are going to grind this yam. Yes, so after peeling like that, the next thing you do is to wash it very clean, very clean. Okay, you can see the size I cut it into, and that's what I'm going to use to, I don't know what to call that, so but I'm going to use it to blend the yam into like watery watery whatever, you know what I mean, sha. So that's me trying to blend the yam in a local way. So I prefer this one I'm using. The plastic one did not really give me what I needed the last time I used it. So this one works very well. It pieces the yam into a very smooth, it blends it into a very smooth paste. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that for all the yams that I've cut. So you keep doing this. You have to be careful. This is very sharp, so make sure not to hurt yourself in the process. If you have a long nails, you can make use of this. Now when it is as small as that, you need to throw it away so it doesn't hurt you. So, and that's the process. When you're done, you take it out, and then the next thing you do is to check if there is no spot or yam that is not really blended. If there is any like that, you need to take it out. Then after doing that, the next thing for you to know that you are using the right yam is that it's going to draw. You can see the way this yam is drawing. So that's it. I need to make two types of the water yam here. I'm going to use one for Ojojo and the other one for a fork. So I'm trying to take out the small piece I'm using for Ojojo. So that's it. I'm using my onions and the small pepper, atarodo in Yoruba language. So I've washed my pepper and my onion. So that's just the little one I want to use for Ojojo. That's the frying one. So I'm going to dice my onions into pieces. So after dicing into pieces, I also take my pepper. I also dice it into pieces, just as you can see in the video. Now, the pepper, you can also use that instrument I used for the yam. You can also use it to dice this onion and the pepper, but I like to use my hand. So the next thing you do is to put your salt. The other one is blended crayfish. You can also use blended dry fish. So just to add to the taste. So just put your normal salt to taste. It shouldn't be too much. And then you put your blended or your grinded dry crayfish. This is so amazing. The taste it's really superb when you make use of this dry fish or dry um, crayfish. So you mix it together. After doing that, you mix it very well. Mix it together. Mix it together until everything mixes properly. And this is the final look. It's looking amazing already. Sometimes the yam comes in white colors, but this one, that's the color it brought, and that's how we're going to use it. So then you need your frying pan and your groundnut oil.
Let's go.
So you put your frying pan and then you put your oil, allow it to get hot. Make sure your hands are clean. Then you take the yam and then you put it in pieces, in small portions. Yes, into the oil. So you do that. Make sure you put enough groundnut oil so that it doesn't stick together. And this is the final look. This is local small chops. It came out beautifully well, a little bit crunchy, and this is me enjoying myself. It tastes so nice, and everybody loved it. Everybody asked for more, and it's kind of special because we haven't eaten this in a long time. So it tasted different in our mouth, and we really enjoyed it. Let's live our lives and enjoy it. All we need is to be contented with what God has given to us. So I've worked now, so let me enjoy myself in the little way I can. If you have stayed to this moment, it means you enjoyed this video. Please kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And if you would like me to do a video on how to make ifoko, the ones Ijebus eat their best food. If you'd like me to make a video on that, please comment in the comment section. I love you. Bye.
Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.